Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. In this verse of Ashtavakra Gita, Raja Janaka says, marvelous am I am complete consciousness bliss. I am full of self knowledge. I abide in the self and remain happy there. As far as I am concerned, this universe is just a magic show. It doesn't exist in reality. It is just an illusion. Hence, what is there to accept or reject in this universe? Magic show, illusion, something that does not exist. It is only a figment of the imagination of the magician. Hence, everything that is happening there, thanks to other living entities, is actually a magic show. All living entities who are acting in the universe today were not there yesterday. They came today, they will work today, they will create a ruckus today, their vibrations will affect the universe today, and they will go away tomorrow. A new set of living entities will come and carry on with the same work and create ruckus till this universe lasts and then abates and dissolves into the self. This has been happening for ages, time immemorial. So, whatever vibes, lights, illusions, etc., are caused in the universe by the living entities who identify themselves with the mind body complex is just a magic show for those living entities who abide in the self and who become a part of the self. If you have gone to a magic show, you will see that all tricks that are happening there are thanks to the machinations, imaginations, ideas, and brainchild of the magicians on the stage. We all spectators know that it is not at all true. It is only visible to us as true. Similar is the case with the universe. It is visible but not true. Today it is something, tomorrow it will be something else, and yesterday it was something else altogether. A skinhead or a Ku Klux Klan member was an African before and would be a Jew in his next birth. Similar is the case with the present situation. Those who are Africans in this birth will become whites tomorrow and Jews the day after. Indians will be born in America, Americans will be reborn in Thailand, Thais may be reborn in China, etc. The illusion that is created is that we are permanent residents of a particular country. We believe that whatever our country does or says is right. A Thai today could be a Chinese tomorrow. Today he will be scared of the Chinese, tomorrow he will say that it is the Chinese who are right. Same is the case with Japanese, Vietnamese, Indians, Nepalis, Pakistanis, etc. The strife between Muslims and other communities could be could turn topsy-turvy when the Muslims of today could become the non-Muslims of tomorrow, and those who are non-Muslims today can become Muslims tomorrow. At any given situation, the living entity who finds himself or herself in a particular atmosphere feels that it is the best atmosphere in the world. We cannot believe it. It is just like a magic show. Kaleidoscope, designs change, and people who acclimatize themselves to design in a particular stage acclimatize themselves to another design in the next stage. This is life. As self-entities who abide in the self, we have to be changeless, full of knowledge of self, blissful, understand our identity as Brahman, and try to go back to Godhead. Instead of confusing ourselves with the happenings of this universe. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you feel that I am talking right. Please share with me your ideas, thoughts, doubts, fears, etc., so that we all may come in support of each other, brainstorm, and come out with some theory which is universally acceptable today, tomorrow, and in the future. Please pardon me for any error, blunder, or mistake in my spelling, grammar, diction, appearance, etc. because when I am talking to you on serious spiritual and material matters, I tend to ignore these frivolous things. Till we meet in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.